Vitex, Vitex, is a genus of flowering plants in the family Lamiaceae. It has about 250 species. Common names include chastetree, traditionally referring to V. agnus-castus but often applied to other species as well. Species of Vitex are native throughout the tropics and subtropics, with a few species in temperate Eurasia. About 18 species are known in cultivation. Vitex agnus-castus and Vitex negundo are often grown in temperate climates. About 6 others are frequently grown in the tropics. Most of the cultivated species serve as ornamentals. Some provide valuable lumber. The flexible limbs of some species are used in basket weaving. Some of the aromatic species are used medicinally to repel mosquitos. The genus Vitex was named by Linnaeus in Species Plantarum in 1753. Vitex was the name used by Pliny the Elder for Vitex agnus-castus. It is derived from the Latin vieo, meaning to weave or to tie up, a reference to the use of Vitex agnus-castus in basketry. Vitex is one of several genera that was transferred from Verbanaceae to Lamiaceae in the 1990s as a result of phylogenetic studies of DNA sequences. It is the largest genus in the subfamily Vitecoideae of Lamiaceae. Taxon sampling in molecular phylogenetic studies has never been sufficient to test the monophyly of Vitecoideae, but it is generally thought to be an unnatural group. The subfamily is probably diphyletic, with Premna, G. melina, and Cornutia constituting one clade, and with Vitex, Petitia, Pseudocarpidium, and Tageismoniodendron constituting the other. Description: Vitex is a genus of shrubs and trees, from 1 to 35 meters tall. Some species have whitish bark that is characteristically furrowed. Leaves are opposite, usually compound. The fruit is a drupe. Circumscription: in 2009, a molecular phylogenetic study showed that 3 small genera, Paravitex, Viticepremna, and Sungia, are embedded in Vitex. These 3 genera were duly sunk into synonymy with Vitex. It is possible that Pseudocarpidium, Petitia, and Tageismoniodendron are nested within Vitex. Sampling in the 2009 study was not sufficient to determine the phylogenetic position of these genera. The relationships of Tageismoniodendron to these genera was not discussed in a revision of Tageismoniodendron in 2009. Selected species: Vitex agnus-castus, chasteberry, monk's pepper, chastetree, Vitex altissima L. F = sin, Vitex alata, Vitex cannabifolia, Vitex capitata, Vitex chrysocarpus, Vitex cophasis, Vitex divaricata, Vitex doniana, wild African black plum sweet, Vitex incisor, Vitex keniensis, Meru oak, Vitex leucoxylon, Vitex lignum vitae, yellow Hollywood, Lignum vitae, Vitex lindeni, Vitex longispala, Vitex lucens purieri, Vitex megapotamica, Vitex negundo, 5-leaf chastetree, Vitex obovata, Vitex obovata ssp. Wilm C. Vitex parviflora, molave tree, Vitex peduncularis, Vitex pinnata, Vitex quinata, Vitex rotundifolia, beech Vitex, Vitex trifolia, simple leaf chastetree, Vitex zieri, formerly placed here, G. melina like hearty, grey teak, white beech. Sources: Ray Harley, In Search of Lamiaceae in Eastern Brazil. Vitex, a newsletter for Lamiaceae and Verbanaceae research. ISSN 1470-20123. Issue 1. February 2000. Page 5. List of genera in Lamiaceae. Missouri Botanical Garden. Vitex. Index nominum genericorum. Vitex in Biodiversity Heritage Library. CRC World Dictionary of Plant Names. RZ. Systematics of Lamiaceae subfamily Viticoideae.